Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you have your regular crab project where if you hit run, the lobsters just kind of move randomly, but you can add in a following lobster, and if you put him in, what he will do is he will actually follow wherever the crab is. He will he will follow
Ow!
towards the crab. Okay, and so the way that you do this is this: you have to create a list, which is something we haven't used yet, possibly depending on the time of the year you're looking at this. So let's go to the top. So the first thing you have to do is import a list, java.util.list. It's like a variable, but like a box filled with boxes, or a table where you have a bunch of different boxes inside of it. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to come down to the act method, and we're going to get rid of random turn. He's not going to turn random anymore, but instead he's going to follow the crab. Okay, and so if we come down and look at follow the crab, we say, hey, I want to make a box. Actually, I want to make a table, so a box filled with boxes. So it's like a box here, a box here, a box here, a box here, and it's called crab list. Okay, the only thing that can go into it is a crab, right? And it is a list. That means it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes put together. Okay, and what are you going to stick into it? I'm going to get all the crabs in a range. So if there are multiple crabs, you'd say, oh, okay, I'll take this crab and put it in the first box. The next crab goes in this box, so on and so forth. In this case, there's only one crab. So if it sees the crab, it'll stick it in the very first box. Okay? So we have our thing called crab list. That's a table holding all the crabs in the world at this point. And this says basically if crab list.size is less than 0, or is, pardon me, is greater than 0. That means, hey, at least one of those boxes has something in it. Okay, so if we found a crab, then we're going to have an actor named Guy, and he's going to equal the first box. So 0, so the first box is 0, then 1, then 2. So we're going to get the crab out of the first box, and we're basically going to set his y coordinate to target x, his y coordinate to target y, and then we're going to have, here's a method called turn towards, so we're going to have the lobster is going to turn towards that crab's thing. Okay, so it's a roundabout way to do it, but at any rate, that's how you that's how you find the crab, stick them in a list, and then you have the lobster turn towards him. Okay.